The Health IT Leadership Summit brings together local, regional, and national leaders in the health IT industry to address the issues essential to industry growth. The summit ranks as one of the nation's premier health IT events, and the 2012 Health IT Leadership Summit brought together a sellout crowd of more than 600 business leaders, healthcare providers, and public and private organizations. What makes the Health IT Leadership Summit such an important event for healthcare professionals? We asked some of last year's attendees to describe what they enjoyed about last year's event and what they are looking forward to at this year's summit. Here's what they had to say.
Jack, tell me what you liked the most about last year's Healthcare IT Summit.
I really like the chance to network with some of my clients and potential clients in the sort of healthcare field in Atlanta and kind of out of the office environment. So going and speaking to them over lunch or talking to them about lectures that were there at the summit, and then just basically having that casual environment where you can meet with the other people and see current trends and issues that are going on right now. It's pretty useful.
Okay, great. And I understand you're going to be attending this year's summit on November the 12th. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're looking forward to at this year's summit?
Similar approach, going in, meeting as many people as I can in sort of that casual environment and getting to know them and sort of seeing their troubles, especially with all the EHR and EMR and all, especially the ICD-10 implementations that are going on right now, and just seeing the trends with other people. So it's not just with one or two of my clients, it's with all of them, and just getting a general consensus of where the IT field is in healthcare and also where it's going in Atlanta.
Okay, great. Thanks for your time, Jack.
Thank you.
Molly, we wanted to ask you what you enjoyed most about last year's Healthcare IT Leadership Summit.
The 2012 Health IT Leadership Summit was a great opportunity for the Metro Atlanta Chamber to collaborate with TAG Health and the Georgia Department of Economic Development to promote Georgia as the nation's health IT capital.
Great. And can you tell us what you're looking forward to most at the 2013 Healthcare IT Leadership Summit on November the 12th?
We are looking forward to the 2013 Health IT Leadership Summit and our continued collaboration with TAG Health and the Georgia Department of Economic Development to promote Georgia as the nation's health IT capital and to create jobs and to continue to support the growth of this industry.
Great. Thank you very much for your time, Molly.
Thank you.
Tricia, can you tell us what you enjoyed the most at last year's Healthcare IT Summit here in Atlanta?
I think first and foremost, the quality of our speakers was first class last year. I especially loved Lee Acey from the Mayo Clinic, who came and talked about how they use social media, and have since watched the video 100 times of the two old people playing the piano in the lobby, and just really enjoyed the quality of the speakers and the quality of the topics the most.
Great. And what are you looking forward to the most at this year's Healthcare IT Summit on November the 12th?
I think I'm looking forward to having more great guest speakers, as well as the quality of the sponsors and the breakout sessions that we had last year, and continuing to learn more about big data and cloud and some of the EMR initiatives that are happening in the world of health IT.
Great. Thanks for your time, Tricia.
Thank you.
Genevieve, can you tell me what you enjoyed the most at last year's Healthcare IT Summit?
Yeah, it was really good to see all the different hospitals and what sort of technologies they're currently working with and where they're going in the future as far as implementing different EHR systems, ICD-10 and meaningful use, and just kind of what the future holds and how the markets continues to rise and more positions are becoming available for people with a general IT background, people that have a clinical background. So it was very knowledgeable.
Great. And I understand you're going to be attending this year's Healthcare IT Summit on November the 12th. Can you tell me what you're looking forward to at this year's summit?
Yeah, this year I'm really looking to see kind of what the market trends are, the kind of caliber of candidates that different providers and software companies will be looking for, how a service like Apex Systems can be of help to them, and kind of see where the industry plans to go in the next few years.
Great. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
We're here with Luoma of Vendormate. Chris, tell me, what did you enjoy about the Health IT Leadership Summit last year, and what are you looking forward to at this year's event?
The summit's a great place to network and just meet the members of the Atlanta health IT community, as long as some other folks. Lee Acey, I thought his keynote speech around social media use in healthcare was really intriguing and interesting to some of the things they're doing at Mayo. I think coming up this year, it's about how's the industry changing, what are the trends, what are the hot topics, the hot button issues for both kind of the vendor community and the provider community, and how are they going to come together and solve the challenges that are in front of the industry.
Sandra, tell us, what did you enjoy about the Health IT Leadership Summit last year, and what are you looking forward to at this year's event?
Well, as usual, the workshops are good. You get some information of up-to-date, and the networking was good as well. Ran into people that I've seen around, got into some interesting side conversations about some of the issues that they were facing and had experienced. And so all that's good information to help me on my journey. So.
For more information about this year's Health IT Leadership Summit on November the 12th at the Fox Theater in Atlanta, please visit our website at healthitleadershipsummit.org.